Hello students, let's move for the one derivation of the coordinate geometry in this lesson. That derivation is distance formula. So note down how to derive the distance formula. This is the derivations of distance formula. Yesterday I told you the distance formula d equals x2 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So today we have to know how we can derive that formula, distance formula, and it is very important also. So let us take these are the coordinates. Let the points A is x1 and y1. Let the point, A equals, so A coordinates are x1 and y1. Let A equals x1 and y1 and B equals x2 y2. So these are the A coordinate and the B coordinates. Okay, then we want to find out the distance between the AB in the sense this thing we want to find out here. A coordinates are x1 y1 and B coordinates are x2 y2. That's all they has given. Yes, draw extra. This is okay. If A and B, if this coordinates has given, we have to draw the AP is perpendicular line, and the BQ for the perpendicular on the x axis. And which axis it is? X axis. That is the extra thing. Draw. For the easy derivations we want to draw those. Okay, draw the perpendicular lines. Draw perpendicular AP. One perpendicular is AP and another one is BQ from the points. Okay, AP and BQ on which coordinate it is on, which axis it is on x axis. Okay, x axis, that is the extra. Okay, next we have to take this now AD. This AD, what is there? This is parallel to the PQ. Okay, we know that. Okay, if we did like that, then we have to take here, if it should be like that, therefore the OP is what happen here? OP nothing but this distance and this distance is same, no, if you have taken here. So OP equals what happen here? OP equals x1. Okay, and the OQ what they has given, that is called as a x2, because this distance they has given. Okay, if you are drawing like that, this distance they has given. Okay, and one more thing you have to write, join AD. Okay, join AD we have to draw. After drawing the perpendicular line, we want to draw the join AD. So then OP equals what happen? X1, this distance, because the x coordinate has given, and OQ is this distance, right? Okay, there has given that coordinate is x2. Okay, we can take OP equals x1 and OQ distance is x2. We can take, no, because they only has given a coordinate in the sense x, this distance, it is equal to OP. This distance, it is equal to the OQ. So that's why we have taken OP equals x1 and OQ equals x2. Then what happened for the PQ? In this OPQ are in the straight line, right? So PQ equals, how we can write this PQ? PQ nothing but OQ minus OP, right? So that equal to OQ is, here we have taken a x minus x2 minus OP is x1. So PQ equals, we got here x2 minus x1. PQ equals nothing but what? X2 minus x1. So if PQ equals x2 minus x1, this distance and this distance is same, no? So therefore we can write AD is also x2 minus x1. Why? Because AD equal to PQ. AD distance equal to PQ. In the figure we can take, right? Okay. Similarly, in the same way, Similarly in the same way, so we here if we are moved to the y-axis, this is the about the x-axis. If we are moved to the y-axis, this bq is equal to what happened here, bq nothing but the distance, this distance y2 distance, right? So we can take as bq equals y2, bq equals y2, this thing bq equals y2, and the measurement of dq is y1, because this distance is equal to this. Here if it should be y1, here also it should be y1. So therefore dq equals what, y1. So what happened to bd here, we want to find out the bd. Okay, bd equals we can write bq minus dq. So bq is y2 minus dq is y1. So we can take bd directly, right? Okay, next the triangle adb is a right angle triangle. In triangle adb, apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you know the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write, the square of a hypotenuse, that is nothing but the AB square, equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Which are those other two sides? One is AD square plus BD square. AB square equals AD square plus BD square. So AB value we don't know, that thing only want to find out because it is only the distance, right? So AD square is, AD we got here x2 minus x1 whole square, plus BD we got here, that is the y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute that. AB square equals x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if we are taken a AB separately, so this square will comes to the square root, right? So that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula, distance formula. AB nothing but what? It is nothing but the distance. So instead of AB, this distance we can write D. So that equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the derivation of distance formula. Hope you will understand this. I told you already. So if the coordinates has given like that, if it should be from the origin, okay, I mean distance point from the origin, I mean from here 0 0, if they are asking to find the distance from here, okay, like that, if they are asking, that should be only the x square plus y square. One more point you have to write down, distance of a point, distance of a point from origin. Origin in the sense the coordinates will be 0 0, is D equals square root of x square plus y square. That's all. Okay, because there is no x1, there is no y1, there is no y2, there is no y1. So for that sake it should be only D equals x square plus y square. I mean, okay, if they are given, find out the x distance between the x coordinates or 0 0 and the y coordinates or 3 5, like that. Find the distance between this. That should, by that time we want to take only the 3 square plus 5 square. 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 29, like that we want to take. Hope you will understand this. So let's do the sums in this lesson. Okay, let us take the first sum in the exercise 7.1. so these are all the derivations of this. Okay, let us take the some sums. Exercise 7.1, the first thing is find the distance between following points. They only has given the points. In that first sum we have to do. The first sum is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So between these points we want to find out the distance here. So let us take, this is the point A or point B, like that also we can take. However we have to taken, that should be AB if you are taken, or we can take directly the D formula, distance, that is the formula will be, if 0 0 not there, we can take this formula only, that is distance by D equals what, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Write the given here. The given is in this is called as a x1 and this is y1, and this is a x2 and this is y2. Keep in mind, like that only we want to take. This is called as x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So let us take the given. X1 is, x1 in the sense the first one, that is a 2, and write y1 is the second number, that is 3. Then x2 is the first number in the second coordinate, and y2 is the first number in second number in the second coordinate, that is 1. So let us substitute the same value. D equals square root of x2 is how much we got here, 4, minus x1 is 2, 4 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 we got here 1, minus y1 is 3, 3 square. Okay, so D equals square root of 4 minus 2, nothing but the 2 square, plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. Minus 2 square we can get here, right? So D equals square root of 2 2s are 4 plus minus 2 whole square is also that, nothing but the minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4. So here it's nothing but we can get the value 4 only. So D equals square root of 8. Don't write minus 2 whole square is there here, minus 4. Okay, because minus 2 whole square in the sense minus 2 multiplied by twice, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. That is the root 8. So D equals, so for the root 8 we can also write as 4 2s are 8, because for this 4, square root of 4, there will be the square number. So if you are taken the root 4 square number, that is 2 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the distance between these 2 points. I mean D equals 2 root 2 centimeter. Okay, hope you will understand this. Let us take one more, the second sum in that thing only, that is the minus 5, 7. These are the points. Okay, and minus 1, 3. Okay, this is the first coordinate and this is the second coordinate. So we want to find out the distance between these two coordinates. So I told you already the formula. D equals, first you have to write the formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Students, you want to keep remember the formula. So without the formula you can't do anything. Okay, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus it is y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's write the given. Given is, the first coordinate is x1 y1. I told you x1 and y1. So x1 is the first number, that is the minus 5. Y1 is the second number of the first coordinate, that is 7. And second coordinates are x2 y2. x2 is the first number of the second coordinate, minus 1, and y2 is the second number of the second coordinate, that is 3. Okay, if there is a minus, you want to write as a minus only. Keep remember, don't take it as plus. D equals, the sign is very important here. So the x2 is minus 1 we got, write in bracket only. So minus is there after this, then x1 is minus 5. Okay, so minus 5 whole square. So that should be right in big bracket. plus because signs are there, no, for that sake. y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7 whole square. Okay, so then d equals square root of, so here big bracket -1 first one, minus into minus is plus, or you can take as minus 5 5s are minus 5 whole square, nothing but the plus 25 only, plus into minus 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 25, we can take like that, plus 3 minus 7 in the sense minus 4 whole square, right? Sorry, this comes for the both, the square comes for the both, minus into minus plus 5 it is, right? 5 first, then we have to do the another next step. Okay, so because this is the big bracket, take a big bracket, -1 as usual, minus into minus is plus 5 whole square, because this whole square comes for -1 also, so for that sake d equals square root of, so now we have to do this, plus 5 and -1 nothing but the 4 square plus this is also -4 whole square, as it is d equals square root of 4 4s are 16, here again this -4 square nothing but the 4 4s are only it is, so that is 4 4s are 16, so d equals square root of 16 plus 16 is 32. Okay, so we can write this 32 as 6 square root of 16 into 2, we can write like that, because for the 16 there will be the square number. D equals square number for 16 is nothing but the 4 root 2 centimeter, 4 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the distance formula. Hope you will understand this, but while doing this should be very careful about the sign. Thank you all.